Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn with Baba. I am Harish and I am a Python developer. Now I am going to start a new Python tutorial series here on YouTube. I am going to start it from scratch and will keep it continue till it reaches the fully satisfied final pro model. We will cover theory as well as practical in our tutorials. Since this is our first tutorial, let me start it in a programmer's manner by saying hello to the world. Before I start writing the code, let me tell you about the IDE that I am going to use in this course. This IDE is PyCharm and you can download it from the JetBrains website. You can find the download link in description. Let me start writing the code. Let me just first open a Python file by clicking on File, New. Select the Python file, give it a name. I'm going to write the first function in Python, that is print. So print function gives us the output. Let me pass a string here. So what? Let me run this. You can find the output in the output window below. But the magic in Python that you can pass the string with double quotes as well as single quotes. Let me show you. Let me run this. You can see the output is same for both the syntaxes. We have covered only one function, print, in this session. But there are so many interesting functions in Python, including string manipulation, PDF, file, email, and whatnot. We will be covering all the things here in this series. So this is all for the first tutorial. I want to request you please subscribe my YouTube channel and please press the bell icon so you can get the notification for upcoming videos. Thank you.